Hello everyone. This is a test for module 1 number 18. Okay, we're gonna do this one. Circle A has radius R and circle B has not radius, right? Circumference that is 50 meters greater than circumference of circle A. What is the circumference of circle A? 2 pi r, right? 2 pi r. So circle B has a circumference. Circle B, this circumference equals to 50 more than these numbers. So 2 pi r and plus 50. Okay. All right. The function h gives the area of circle B. Circle B over here, that is the radius over here, right? I'm going to use what capital R over here. What is the area of this one? Capital R equals to pi r squared. We know that, right? But we're going to replace with little r, okay? Because they have to express what? Little r. They're all little r over there. So we're going to find, okay, capital R in terms of little r. Okay, this one equals to actually 2 pi capital R, right? From here we can find R over here. Divide 2 pi. So R equals 2 pi R over 2 pi is R and plus 50 over 2 pi. But this one we have to calculate using the decimals over here, okay? Take a look over here. 50 over 2 pi, okay? That is equal 7.95 or 96. 7.96 is better, okay? Here we go. 7.96, okay? That is R. Replace this one. Pi times R plus 7.96 n squared, right? Now, this is in terms of little r, okay? Yeah, that's the answer. Choice D is the answer, okay? One more, number 19. The interval inside these two numbers, 4 and 46 inclusive, okay? So what is the value of k? This is general interval notations, interval, and this one is what? Absolute value interval. We're gonna write change the form. So this is the way. X equals 4 and 46. This is x inside. First, we're going to find what? The middle number over here. That is m, okay? Middle number. That's the m. The distance. What is the middle number? 46 plus 4 and divide by 2 is 25. So this 25 to the end point, to the other end point. If this is the value of x over here, x any times, always what? X minus 25 should be less than the distance from midpoint to the endpoint. 46 minus 25 equals to 21 each side. Must be less than or equals 21. Right, that is the way to convert the form. But in this case, value of k is this one, 21, okay? Choice A is the answer, okay? Okay, the next one, number 23. The expression 5x squared plus cx plus 47. This is written over here. That is what? Factored form. So over here, m, n, and p, they are all integer constant. M is integer, n is integer, and p is also integer. They are all integers. So using this one, which of the following must be an integer too? C over m, C over n. There's 4 options there. How can you find this one? First of all, you can find why n equals to 5, right? Because this product of these two terms should be mx squared equals to 5x squared. So m is 5, is the integer. What about n? We don't know. But the only thing is what? N is integer, P is integer, but product of these two numbers is 47, right? So we can find all together. NP equals 47. For example, they are integer, right? If N is 1, P is 47. If N is 47, P equals what? 1 or negative also, okay? Anyway, they are integers. So using this for which of the following must be an integers? What about C over M? Where is C? M is 5 over here. Yeah, we know that. Where is C up there? C is what? Middle terms, right? Terms of X terms. So mx times P, C equals looks like this one. M times P and plus N times 1. That is C. The middle terms. Or you can expand this one, okay? Mx squared plus np plus n times x n plus np, right? This number can be what number? Okay, I'm gonna write down np plus n over here. M is 5, right? Yeah, this is canceled out. You can write p plus n over 5. For examples, yeah, p is integer. We know that n is 1, that is not integer, right? 1 over 5. If n is 47, 47 over 5 is not integer, okay? Yeah. The second one is c over n. This is same thing, right? That is not integers, okay? Because c can be over here, np plus n over n, right? M is 5, you know that, but this is integer, n over n is 1, but this is the integers. It can be divided by n, we don't know, right? If m is 1, that is 47, for example, m is already 5, p equals 47, n is 1. That's fine, this is integer, right? But the other side, if m is 5, p is what? 1 over here, over n is 47. That is not integer, right? Okay, take a look over here. Because of what? This is the perfect. N times p is always 47. Okay? What is this one? N is integer, p is integer. When you divide by n over here, p is also integer, right? 47 over n is integer, or 47 over p also integer. Okay, that is definitely correct. That's right. Choice D is the answer, okay? Let me show another one, 24 over here. The system of equations C is constant. The graph will intersect at exactly 1 point of in the xy plane. The graph looks like this. Okay, 1 point. This the slope is 2, right? They're going to have it this way. 1 point. That means the primary quadratic equation should be 1 intersection, right? So its discriminant must be equal to 0, right? So find discriminant of primary equation. X squared minus 8x plus 15 equals 2x plus c. The primary equation is what? X squared minus 8x minus 2x is 10x, and plus 15 and minus c equals 0. That is a primary equation. But the solution should be only 1, right? Okay, discriminant. D equals b squared minus 4 times a. B is negative 10 squared is 100. 4 times a is 1, c is what? 15 minus c. Should be equal to 0. That means by equal to 0, okay? When you divide it by 4, it's going to be 25 equals 15 minus c. But c must be what? Negative 10, right? Choice D is the answer, okay? Okay, I'm going to do number 26. This is a little hard to understand, but there is some easiest way to find the answer. This graph has vertex 3 and negative 5. But it's going to have, right, 2 points of intersection with the x-axis. The graph looks like this. Right? 2 points. because the vortex is what 3 and negative 5 is what below the x-axis. So this is 3 and negative 5. Right? The graph is what? Open downward, there's no intersections with the x-axis. This is wrong, right? This is correct. The graph is open upward. Open up. By using this one, we're going to find out the value of this one, sum of all these three constant number, a plus b plus c. How to get this one? Because there are three unknown numbers there, okay? We're going to handle this one all together, a plus b plus c. How to get the a plus b plus c over here? Put this number x is 1 there, okay? When x is 1, y coordinate must be a plus b plus c, isn't it? So x is 1, x can be 1 over here, 1 over here. It doesn't matter just before the 3, right? If, for example, this is 1 over here. This y coordinate is a plus b plus c. If we 1 over here, this y coordinate is also a plus b plus c. Anyway, this point already greater than negative 5, right? It is less than negative 5, graph is downward. There is no x intersection. So that's wrong, right? So xy coordinate of this point. It doesn't matter where x is 1. Anyway, this is greater than negative 5. Then the graph is bent upward this way. It has two x intersections. So a plus b plus c must be greater than negative 5. This is less than, they are equal, right? Okay. Choice D is the answer. Okay. Okay, maybe we can try number 25. Isosceles right triangle. This is isosceles right triangle. Two sides are equals, and this is right angle. Hypotenuse, this is a hypotenuse, right? The other one is we said leg. These two legs are congruent. What is the area of this one? Maybe you can try leg times leg divided by 2, because these two legs are perpendicular, okay? How can you find the length of leg? You know the formula, right? If this is S, if they are equal, this is what S rad 2. Go back, divide rad 2, you will get the S. Okay, to find the leg of your 100 over rad 2, that is the length of this side. So, leg times another leg, which is the base times height and divided by 2. This is all cancelled out, right? I'm sorry, I did red, right? Okay, let's try again. So this one equals to 10,000 over 2, another divided by 2 is what? Over here, right? That is what? 2,500 is this, okay? Or you can try to solve this way to make it perpendicular, right? Because this is isosceles. Is actually the same length, because this is 45, another 45, another isosceles. These two lengths are equal, they are all equal to. This is 50, this is 50. You can use this one too. Base times 100 and times the height is now, this is the height, right? Because we take this hypotenuse as the base. 100 times 50 and divide by 2. Still 2,500. Okay, that's the answer. Okay, we just finished by the hardest one questions in test for module 1, okay? So maybe next time we can go module 2, okay? Thank you so much for joining the class.